Today we are going to be discussing the Cambridge IELTS General Book 15 Test 4, the Writing Task 2. How to write a 2-question essay. Some people dislike changes in their society and in their own lives and want things to stay the same. Now, why do some people want things to stay the same? And why should change be regarded as something positive? Now, this 40-minute, 250-word essay can be written in 4 paragraphs. In the introduction, describe the topic. In para 1, discuss why some people want things to stay the same. In para 2, discuss why change may be regarded as something positive. And finally, summarize the essay. The following slides will show how this essay can be written. In the introduction, describe the topic. While there are some people who resist change and feel comfortable living within familiar and predictable social circumstances, there are others who are of the opinion that change is a vital aspect of social progress. In this essay, I will discuss the reasons for why some people may dislike any social change. I will also highlight the benefits of change. Now in para 1, describe why some people want things to stay the same. Some people would like to live a life of stability and constancy so that they are in control of most situations. Initially, a person may have had to work very hard to create a stable lifestyle so that he can be an equal participant in society. But having achieved that, he feels the need to enjoy the fruits of his efforts by living a routine and comfortable lifestyle. He feels that in an environment where most situations remain constant, he is able to make better decisions as there is more predictability of the outcomes. In para 2, discuss why change can be regarded as something positive. On the other hand, there are other people who are sensitive towards the various social, political as well as economic changes that occur around them. They feel that it is essential for them to keep modifying their lifestyles according to these changes. And finally, summarize the essay. Thus, in the argument of no change versus change in the society, I conclude with a view that for a person to flourish in a challenging social and economical environment, it is important for him to choose wisely between situations that he can live with or situations where the individual will have to change towards. The next slide will show the entire essay. You can pause to read at your own pace. Thank you for watching.